everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making some Valentine's trinket trays. So I have two dishes here. These are just bought in the stores, and I also have some beluga whales and a heart. So what we're going to do is make a little piece of ocean here in the dish and then put our beluga whale and hearts in it. So this is relatively simple. I picked a few colors to try. So we have some blue, aqua, and some Tuscan red. So we're going to try these and hopefully they turn out okay. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is secure the heart and beluga whales. I'm going to use a bit of UV resin for this. You can also use glue or glue gun, but I think UV resin is faster and I already have it handy. So we're going to secure the heart first, and then the whales. We're going to make it look like they're coming up together towards the heart. Next, we're going to mix our resin. I'm going to pour 20 grams. We won't need too much because this is just the first layer. With half the resin, we're mixing sea wave into a separate cup. We want the color to be very thick because the base of the dish is very dark. You can tell that it's thick enough by letting it run off the craft stick. If it's covering the stick, then it's good. Next, we're going to mix Tuscan red. Let's do a quick test here to make sure the colors won't clash. Okay, blend it together a little bit, and I think we're okay. Let's start by pouring the red around the heart. Then we're going to add the sea wave. With a heat tool, we're going to mix the colors a bit and pop the bubbles. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other dish. Once we're done, we're going to wait 12 hours for it to cure. So our first layer is done. Looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and add our second layer. This time I'm going to mix the resin with alcohol ink. This is because we want our resin to be translucent so that we can see the bottom layer. We're going to pour this over the bottom layer. We're pouring enough to ensure that the tail of the beluga whale is covered. Alright everyone, and we are done. So we have our two beluga whale heart dishes. So here is the first one. Looking super pretty. We have these beluga whales coming out to get the heart. And here is the second one. So these two are swimming a little bit closer to each other. I think they look so cute as a pair. Oh my goodness. Alright everyone, so this was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know down below in the comment section. What else you want to see me do using resin. And if you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!